If you are in Ghana and you keep saying, I want to start a business, but I don't have money, this video may change the way you think. Because no capital does not mean no opportunity. Today, I will show you how to start with your phone, your skills, your contacts, and one simple idea. Maybe you want to start a business, but every time you think about it, one thing stops you: money. You think you need a shop, you think you need stock, you think you need thousands of cedis before you can begin. But listen carefully. Many small businesses in Ghana did not start big. They started with one customer, one service, one product, one WhatsApp post, one referral. In this video, I will show you how to start a business in Ghana using no money, using practical steps you can follow immediately. What will the end? Because I will give you a simple 7-day action plan you can start today. Now, what does it mean to start a business with no capital? Let's get into it. Starting with no capital does not mean starting with nothing. It means you are not depending on big money before you begin. Instead of money, use your resources. Resources you already have. Your first resource are simple items like your phone, your time, your skill, your WhatsApp contacts, your church, school, or community network, your ability to connect with people, your ability to solve small problems. So if you have no money, don't ask only, where will I get capital? But rather ask, what can I do? Who can I help? What problem can I solve? This is where businesses start. I'm going to take you through some simple steps. Step number 1, choose a business that does not need stock. If you have no capital, avoid businesses that need rent, machines, or large stock. Start with a business that allows you to earn before spending. A good example of good no capital business models are pre-orders, service-based businesses, commission sales, referral businesses, partnerships, freelancing, delivery coordination. These models are powerful because you do not need to buy many things before you get your first customer. Step number 2, and in this step number 2, you are going to use the pre-order as a model for you. So use the pre-order method. That's step number 2. Pre-order is one of the easiest ways to start a business without capital. Here is how it works. You simply find a product people want. You get pictures and prices from a supplier. You add your profit. You post it online. When someone orders and pays, you buy from the supplier and deliver. This here is a practical example for you. Let's say a supplier sells ladies' bags for 80 Ghana cedis. You post the bag on WhatsApp status for 110. A customer orders and pays you. You buy the bag for 80 cedis and keep the 30 cedis as profit. As you can see, in this circumstance, you did not need capital. You use your phone, your contact, and your ability to sell. Step number 3, start with a service. This is also another model that you can use apart from the pre-order, which is the first one. Service businesses are perfect when you have little or no money. Why? Because you are selling your time, your skill, and your efforts. An example of a service business is like tutoring, teaching people. If you are good at maths, English, science, ICT, or exam preparations, you can start tutoring. Talk to parents in your area, tell teachers, tell your church members, post on WhatsApp status. You can say, I offer home lessons for primary and JHS students in maths and English. Send me a message if your child needs extra help. Another example of service business model is the cleaning service. Homes, shops, offices, churches, and schools need cleaning. You can start small with basic cleaning and later buy better tools from your profits. You can also venture into social media management. Many small businesses in Ghana have products but do not know how to post online. You can simply help them by writing captions for them, posting their products for them, replying their messages for them, create a simple design for them, manage WhatsApp catalogs. This is a strong side hustle in Ghana if you are good with social media. Another one is also personal shopping. A lot of people are busy. Some busy people do not have time to go to the market. You can help them buy groceries, foodstuffs, clothes or household items, and charge a fee for your service. As you can see, these are simple businesses, real problems, easy to start, easy to solve problems, yet they can generate you millions if you stick with it for a while. Step number 4, use your phone as your first shop. If you want to start a business and you are thinking of rent and other things, sometimes the best way is to start as using your phone. Your phone can be your first office, your shop, and the marketing tool. You do not need to rent a shop before you start selling. Some of the platforms you can use to start with is your WhatsApp status, Facebook groups, your TikTok account, even Instagram. Telegram's group also can be used for sales. But do not just post. DM if interested. Be clear. Say exactly what you offer. I'm going to give you an example. Busy this weekend. I can help you buy your market items and deliver them to your home. Send your list before Friday evening. That is simple and direct. And to get your customers rolling, they know what you are doing. So when they need the service, they know exactly what you offer and what they get when they pay for it. Step number 5, how to get customers without paid ads. Some people think to get customers, you need to run some elaborate ads on TV, radio, or television. But no, as a beginner, at the beginning, you may not have money to advertise. This is okay. You need visibility, trust, and consistency. So, use your WhatsApp status. Make sure you post every day. You can also share product photos, prices, customer feedback, short videos, delivery updates, before and after results. People may not buy the first day, but when they keep seeing you, they begin to remember what you offer. You can also use Facebook groups. Join, buy, and sell groups in your area. Search for groups in Accra, Kumasi, Takrade, Tamale, Cape Coast, and your local community. Post professionally. Use clear pictures. Mention your location. Reply fast. Use TikTok. TikTok can help you reach people without paying for ads. Post short videos like business ideas in Ghana you can start with no money. How I take food pre-orders. Customer order packed today. Affordable items available this week. You do not need perfect videos. You need clear videos. As for referrals, after serving one customer, say if you know anyone who needs this, please recommend me. Referrals are very powerful because people trust people they already know. 5. Practical business ideas in Ghana. Business ideas you can start with little or no money. Here are practical business ideas in Ghana you can start today. Number 1, online reselling. Sell clothes, shoes, bags, perfumes, beauty products, phone accessories, or home items using the pre-order method. Business number 2, food pre-orders. Cook only after people order. You can sell jollof, wache, fried rice, pastries, stew packs, or local drinks. Tutoring. 3, teach students at home online or in small groups. 4, cleaning services. Offer cleaning for homes, shops, offices, churches, and schools. 5, delivery coordination. Connect sellers, customers, and riders. Charge a small fee for arranging deliveries. 6, social media management. Help small businesses post online and reply to customers. 7, freelancing. Offer writing, graphic designing, video editing, typing, data entry, or virtual service assistance. 8, affiliate sales. Promote another person's product and earn commission when someone buys through you. 9, personal shopping. Help busy people shop from the market or stores. 10, laundry pickup and delivery. Partner with a laundry shop. Bring them customers, earn commission on that. Now, I'm going to give you a 7-day plan action to execute the new business you want to start. Day 1, pick one business idea. Choose one idea only. Do not confuse yourself with too many options. Just choose one idea. Then you move on to day 2. On day 2, write your offer. I'm going to give you an example. I help busy workers buy groceries and market items every Saturday. Simple, short, and sweet. Move on to day 3. Find suppliers and partners. Look for suppliers, riders, laundry shops, food vendors, or people you can partner with. Then you move on to day 4. Create your first post. Use simple text. Include items like what you offer, price, location, how to order, and deadlines for your deliveries. Now on day 5, post everywhere for free. Post on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook groups, even your Facebook wall, TikTok, Instagram, and community groups. And on day 6, talk to at least 10 people. Message or speak to 10 people who you believe may need your services. Remember to be polite, be clear, offer value. Day 7, serve your first customer. And if you ask me, I'll ask you do this for free. Do the work well. Ask for feedback. Ask for the referral. This is how small business in Ghana begins. Now, I'm going to move on to teach you 7 common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1 is waiting for big money or big capital. Do not wait forever for perfect money. Start small. Mistake number 2, copying every trend. Do not start a business only because everyone is doing it. Choose something you understand or something you can vibe with or something you believe you can work on. Mistake number 3, spending your customers' money. If a customer pays you for an order, use that money for the order. Do not spend it on your personal belongings. I promise you, you will regret it. And the next mistake is poor communication. Reply fast, give the updates, be honest when there is a delay. The next mistake is giving up too early. Your first post may not bring sales. Your first week may not be slow. Keep improving. Now, if you want to start a business in Ghana with no money, remember this. You may not have capital, but you may have a phone. You may not have a shop, but you may have WhatsApp. You may not have stock. You may have a supplier. You may not have money, but you may have a skill. Start with what you have. Get one customer. Serve that customer or reinvest your profit. Then repeat the process. You do not need to start big. You just need to start. Now, fellas, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, and share it with someone in Ghana who wants to start a business but thinks they need a big capital. And comment below, start today if you are ready to begin. See you in the next one.